main view.
SPX 25 trencher with a vibrating head, getting ready to bury into the ground.
Dirt beneath my feet.
Got the vibrator going, burying the cable into the ground. The machine is operated with a full function remote control. You can sit in your truck and watch the cable get buried into the ground.
You know you love me.
Vibrating cable into the ground.
Cupcake.
Dual rubber tracks with a ground pressure of 3.7 psi, which means you will not destroy people's yards. And you can bury the cable into the ground. The machine is super narrow with a width of 34.5 inches and it's only 81 inches long. So you can continue to bury cable into the ground in tight spots.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Machine offers a 55-degree swing angle to bury cable into the ground in junky yards with no problem. Thanks to the tracks, it gets good traction in all conditions. So you can still continue to bury cable into the ground. Burying 328 feet of fiber optic conduit into the ground in under 8 minutes. Yeah, buddy.
Wow.
SPX 25 has an adjustable blade height. If you need to go deeper, you can. So you can bury cable deeper in the ground. And if you are looking to buy one, you can visit Vermeer.com. They offer several units. Georgetown, Maine has got a little bit of snow. But it didn't stop us today. We are almost to the sub pole with the conduit so we can hook the fiber optic cable up. SPX has high-powered hydraulics. The ground is a little frozen, but it's going through it pretty easy. It's not going to stop this machine. you were wondering where this is Georgetown, Maine. It's about 30 degrees out right now. We did get a lot of rain before this, and then it snowed. Gotta love the weather in Maine. Still burying the cable into the ground. You can see the subpole. We're almost there.
Wow.
Getting pretty close. Going through this grass like butter. Had to stop for a second. My fingers were frozen. Yeah, we only got about an inch or two of snow. Nothing too crazy. Getting closer. Burying this fiber optic cable like nothing. Putting it in the ground. It only took around 8 minutes to bury everything.